Describe a time when you traveled by public transportation. Cues for this are when and where you went, what kind of transport you used, how was your trip, and explain why did you choose to use public transport. So firstly, what you have to do in this cue card, the first thing is check is it in past, present or future. So it is saying that describe a time when you traveled by public transport. So here when you traveled by means here we have to talk about past. So be aware, be attentive in every cue card because this means a lot in speaking marking that you, if it is in past then you have to answer in past. Some students answer that in present or future, which is incorrect, and it is directly proportional to losing your band score. So in this you have to talk about a time when you traveled through a public transportation. Public transportation which you can say as bus, train or a rental bike, taxi or anything or rickshaw you can say. So here you have to talk about that time when you used public transport to travel. In the cues you should say when and where you went. When means what the talk about the time that when you went, and where you went that what was the location where you went. What kind of transport you used means what kind of public transport you used, bus, train, bike, taxi or anything else. How was your trip? Here you have to describe your experience, that what was your experience on the whole trip, how was your journey, and explain why did you choose to use public transport, and talk about the reason that what was the reason that you choose public transport to travel. Why did not you choose your own personal vehicles to travel. Okay, so here we begin with the band 9 model answer. Though I have my own car, I often use public transportation. I do so to allow my family members to use my car for their own important tasks, and sometimes I use public transportation like the bus to go to a long route. Some of the remote areas are not quite as easy to travel by cars, and for those places, I use a public transportation like rickshaw and taxi or the rented motorbikes. One such trip that I remember I took 2 years ago when I visited one of my aunt's house. My aunt was married to a civil engineer, and they had 3 kids. Their living place was kind of a remote area, and took almost 10 to 12 hours to reach. It was the mid autumn when I had the trip, and I alone went there. I had to use 3 to 4 different public transportations to finally reach my aunt's house. I took a bus, and it stopped when we reached near a river after 4 to 5 hours of journey. I had to use a boat to pass the river, and after that I took another bus and finally an auto rickshaw to reach my aunt's living place. The trip was a long one, and it was neither a very pleasant journey nor a very disturbing one as well. Changing the transportation few times, carrying the two heavy bags was something that annoyed me. But I enjoyed the natural scenery, different routine that the usual busy life, scenic beauty on the both sides of the road, the beautiful river, and the new people and place. I mostly listened to music from my MP3 player, and read a magazine on my journey, and I enjoyed that also. I took the public transportation mainly for 3 reasons. Firstly, I left it home so that other family members can use it if needed, as I would be away for about a week. Secondly, I did not know the exact route to the place I traveled, and that's why it would have been a bit uncertain to take my private car to a road that I have no idea about. Finally, it was a remote area, and taking my car would have caused extra tension, like parking it, fueling it, and that's why I prefer to take the journey in the public transportation. So that was all about this cue card. Have a look on the follow-up questions or part 3 questions. First question is, do you think people should use public transportation more often? It means that what do you think that people should prefer, public transportation or their own private transportation more oftenly? Next is, What type of public transport is in your country? So here you have to talk about public transports which are available in your country. That is, bus is available, or only train is available, or what kind of transport are available in your country. Next is, do you think government invest enough in the public transport? That what do you think, that do government invest enough in the public transport? That is, government is spending a lot of money to increase public transport, creating a lot of bus stops, or adding new buses in their transport, or adding new trains or another vehicles. Next is, what do you think your government should do to improve the quality of public transport in your country? If your country does not have a proper quality of public transport, so here you have to suggest some repercussions, that what steps your country government can take to improve the quality of public transport. So that was all about these 4 follow-up questions. Have a look on similar cue card topics, and your ability to talk about this cue card topic would be also enable you to talk about the following cue card topic as well. First is, describe a common vehicle in your country, means talk about a vehicle which is very common in your country. Next is, describe a public transportation you often use, means talk about the public transportation which you use very oftenly. Suppose you travel on a bus very oftenly, or a train, so here you have to talk about that. Next is, describe a trip you recently had, that talk about a journey or a trip which you had recently. Next is, describe a journey, a common vehicle in your country. Or here it could be that talk about a journey on a common vehicle in your country. That earlier, that here was the question, that talk about a common vehicle. So here you have to talk about the journey which you took on a common vehicle in your country. Next is, describe a public transportation. So that was all about this cue card. And the last one is, describe a picnic you had in a public place. Here you have to talk about that in your local area, or in your locality, or in a public place you went for a picnic with your family or friends. So here you have to talk about that time, but it must be in the past. So that was all about these cue cards, the follow-ups, and the cue card sample answer. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.